For those of you who've been following along all year, you know that over 4th of July weekend, I cooked up food from Founding Foodies, which was a look at George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, and Benjamin Franklin. And in that recipe mix, I used some New England clam chowder because George Washington fought more in the north. And for Thomas Jefferson, I made a very unique spinach macaroni. And for those of you who took part, you know that Thomas Jefferson actually brought macaroni to America for the first time while he was in France being the ambassador. I tell you all this because for this 52 and 22 cooking challenge, I am stirring the pot with Benjamin Franklin, the only person that I did not include from Founding Foodies. And what's interesting about this is the book is full of rich history about food and Benjamin Franklin. It's also filled with a lot of history of the American Revolution and everyone who was involved at that time. Even earlier, William Penn, who was the founder of Pennsylvania, who escaped from England to escape religious persecution, has a recipe in this book that his family made, and it's chicken fricassee. So that's what we're going to dive into today.